The DentWiz Car Dent Puller Kit stands out as a complete paintless repair system, combining a slide hammer, T-bar, and bridge-style pullers made from sturdy alloy and durable plastic for repeated use. Its wide assortment of high-grip pulling tabs, including the upgraded pink designs in many shapes and sizes, makes it easier to match everything from small hail marks to larger door dings while preserving the factory paint. The included high-power hot glue gun and strong adhesion glue sticks bond the tabs securely, so pulls feel controlled and effective rather than weak or inconsistent. Once you understand the simple sequence of heating, gluing, pulling, and finishing, the kit allows even first-time users to tackle dents at home without needing body shop-level skills. Because the tools are compact and organized, this set is easy to carry and works not only on car panels but also on other smooth metal surfaces like motorcycle tanks and some home appliances. For best results, the instructions emphasize proper preparation of a clean, dry, slightly warmed panel, and following those steps pays off with more reliable pulls and fewer repeat attempts.